Hello friends, in today's video we are going to start doubly linked list. And friends, this is one of the most used data structure in computer science. So what is a doubly linked list? As the name suggests, it will have double link. What do we mean by this? In a node we will have two pointers, and as you can see here, let's take the example of node 2. Node 2 is having two pointers, and what is these two pointers containing? See, suppose this is pointer 1 and this is pointer 2. You can see here that node 2, this part is holding the address of this particular node, and this particular pointer 2 is holding the address of node 3. So basically what do we mean here? P1 contains the address of node previous to it. Okay, and P2, that is this part of this particular node 2, is containing the address of node next to it. Okay, you can see in this particular node also, this P2 part here is containing the address of next node, and P1 part, as there is no node prior to it, it is holding a null address. Here also you can check. For this particular node 3, as it has a previous node, it is holding the address of P2 in this particular part, that is 200 in P1 part of this particular node 3. And here you can see, as there is no node next to this particular node, it is holding null in this P2 part. Okay, so basically P1 and P2 are two pointers which will hold the address of node previous to it and next to it. So friends, our first task will be to create this kind of node if we want to create a doubly linked list. So how we are going to do it? Creation of node, that is defining node. Okay, so first of all, as you can see here, this node is containing three fields. One is previous pointer, another is data field, and third one is next pointer. So friends, do we have a primitive data type to hold this kind of information? No, we don't have. So what we are going to do it? We need to create it. And to create it, how we are going to do it? We will use a struct. Okay, that is a structure. So now let's write it. We are going to use a struct keyword, then data type name. So here this is the data type name, and what it is going to contain? First of all, it will contain a pointer P1, and it is holding the address of a previous node. What kind of pointer it is, we will see later on. Okay, now as you can see here, the second field is containing a data. Let's assume it is a integer data. And what is the last field containing? Last field is again containing a pointer. And what kind of pointer it is? Let's figure it out. So as you can see here, node 2 is holding the address of node 1. And what kind of data type is node 1? It is a struct node type of data type. So we are going to write here a struct node, and here also we will write a struct node. That is, it is a self-referential structure having two pointers. Okay. So friends, this is our definition of node of a doubly linked list. Definition of node of a doubly linked list. So next, what we are going to do? We will write a program to create a linked list for us.